Sterling!
Come on. Isco, okay, the first half decent player, I think.
Sterling!
Skip. Let's go, you got a purple. Keep the purple. Okay, I got you. Oh, you got it in for as well.
Okay, Aguero. No, Higuain. Oh, snap! Inform as well. Okay, second inform.
They are, but they're not, sort of thing. Yeah. Oh! Silver inform!
Here we go. It's gonna be big, this one. Oh, go Hulk! That's like 80k. That is good. That is really good. I got Hulk as well. I've got him as well, mate. He just got him.
Extortionate. Oh, we got inform. Inform Nainggolan. That is absolutely sick.
Go now! Let's go!
People are opening it and they're not backing it. Sanchez, and Pedro.
He's left now. 4,000 packs, and we've got Rooney. Yes. No way. We've got Rooney.
No. Oh no again! Lacazette again.
Form or big player. That will not be. I haven't got Jordi Alba. Oh, Sturridge and Pedro.
The money I've ever. Oh, the Chiellini, that's alright. Okay, 87. We got Higuain in there as well.
I can feel it. Oh, Boateng. Yes.
I'm already at 70.
Oh! Let's go! Come on, keep going.
Yeah, quick. Oh, yes, Fabregas. Yes, it's worth a little bit, I think. Fabregas. I've got to keep going.
Yo, I'm skipping through these, man. I am skipping through these. Wait, I have freaking duplicates, dude. Oh, we get 80. That's not bad.
Although, luckily, this one is going to be actually even better than the last one. Come on. Yes, we got Lacazette. That's actually quality. Finally, I got a decent inform. Oh, that is good.
Schweinsteiger. Woo. Okay, I'm Godin and Falcao.
Oh, Jesus.
Come on, EA, please give me an inform at least. The Gea, that's actually pretty sick.
Oh, Squirtle. Oh, what a freaking pack. Vidal and an inform. Oh, I'll take it, but is it Neymar?
Got some inform. Marcelo. Oh my Jenna! She's unreal.
Alright, yeah, don't even look at the end of the pack. Oh, we get Modric. That's not bad.
I just wanted it to be him so bad. And Pastor. Wow.
Sanchez and Yaya Toure. God, these packs have gone terrible to getting really good. Sanchez and Yaya Toure in the same pack.
Oh, let's go! 89 rated Eden. Go.
Sick. Oh, Pastore! Oh, that's okay.
Give us a legend. Can't see him there.
Yes! Alexis Sanchez, mate!
Spend on this video. Who's that? Oh, it's Schweinsteiger.
Hamana. Oh, company! You're always in good company. Oh, Tom, that's.
I got a Glock in my arm.
No, you're not going in the same pack. Oh my god.
Alright, I'll take a boat. I mean, I'm not. Oh, damn! And a freaking Obama Yang.
What do you think? That's my stadium. Give me some good luck here. Big Guerrero. Yes! Sergio, mate.
Oh my god, you got informed!
Chat, that would be great. The pack luck right now is real, boys.
Fabregas. Iniesta! It's you! Whoa! Oh, snap! Ronaldo! That's actually a pretty freaking good pack. Oh.
Happier, but who are we getting this one? James, yes! Very much appreciated. And Owain in that one.
Anyone actually count how many of these? Oh, let's go! We got Nainggolan in front and Chiellini, mate. That's a pack that I like to see, but we're
pack! Oh! Lacazette! Yo, boys!
Oh! Aguero!
FIFA 16, so it's pretty special. Another in-form 9 Golan. That is absolutely insane, okay.
Legend at the end. Legend at the end. Rooney! That's good, Rooney. Keep him. Keep him. Keep him. Quick.
Be crazy. Go! Beat Giannini. Yes, it's Giannini. 87.
Sterling!
That. Or a big in form. Be Rodriguez. It is Rodriguez. Yes, get in there. That's more than the pack itself. Let's go. Oh, Diego Costa.
Come on. Oh, Iniesta. Keep Yaya as well. Keep Yaya as well.
Big treat for you guys. What do we get here? Diego Costa again.
Sterling!
Silva. Yes! David Silva, 88. That is brilliant.
After this pack, Jesus Christ, Arkham. Yes, it is Rodriguez. Decent pull.
This is the first one out of 10. Go! Yes! Ibrahimovic! And Juan Mata.
A legend would be insane. Send him with Yaya Toure. That's gotta be. There we go. Happy days.
Although I got them before, that makes sense. Oh, Cruz.
De Gea! De Gea continue on Pedro. They will go for something. Sterling!
Bend, but it's a very rare thing. Oh, is that check? Yes, it's check. Oh, purple as well.
Oh, please be Neuer. Oh, please be Neuer. It's Neuer! Neuer, baby! First Neuer of the year!
That is 100k FIFA. Oh! No way! No! No! Inform name, second inform Neymar. What?
Alright, here we go. Who's gonna be the second pack of 4?
Bell! Oh my god! Oh my god! The 16k FIFA points to make 100. Who's that? Ibra! Yes! Ibrahimovic!
What video I know, but CDM, that's going to be Philip Lahm, 87 rated player and an inform, and Willian. Okay, this is pretty decent.
What? No! Aguero!
Sanchez again. Check, we know Sanchez.
Inform. Oh god, who's this? But De Bruyne!
That's what they mean. Who am I gonna get? Let it roll. No, you again. Oh my god, I love this. I love this. I love this. Sterling!
Right, come on. What are we going to get in this next pack? Yaya Toure again? Okay, I'll happily take that.
The average person, it's just crazy. I'll be someone. Cruz! Oh, what? Inform Nainggolan!
Give me an inform. Oh, give me Alexis. We've got Alexis Sanchez. That's the first time I've had him in this FIFA.
Paid profit on that, I think. Who's that? No way! James Rodriguez.
Get low when the whistle.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Yo! 87 rated. Lewandowski.
You know you want to. You know you want to. Shut up! Shut up! Actually, shut up! And an inform. What a 50k pack that is. Oh.
Come on. Oh, Victor Valde.
Yeah,
let's go! De Gea's a beast!
Wait, what else?
Yes!
Sterling!
Oh, Iniesta, 88 rated. These packs have been delightful this morning, maybe for United.
Oh, today. Oh, Diego Costa!
Profit here. Ozil! What the hell are these packs? Oh my god.
Come on. Come on. Oh, no! 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 Thiago Silva and Yaya Toure in the same pack!
Big Boateng! It is! Jerome Boateng.
Sterling!
Surely, don't I? Are we getting David? Be David. Just be him. We've actually got De Gea for the foot. That's not a bad pack. But
It's Rodriguez! 87!
Sterling!
Isco! Whoa! I'm Falcao! I'm Sturridge! This was a very naughty pack.
It's Royce! Oh, an inform!
I'm not a bad person. Courtois! Courtois! Matuidi Charo!
What? 88 Thiago Silva in the pack.
Ooh. Oh,
BK, I already got him.
Oh,
Let's
dude,
go.
he goes for like 100k, doesn't he?
Oh, Falcao as well.
That's a sweet pack.
Barbo, this is not.
Are you ready for this? It's going to be that good. Just keep on watching this. Iniesta. Oh, Vidal as well. That's quality, actually.
Sanchez!
Gone world. Legend. 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 Rice! That's my boy!
Karim Benzema. And Yaya Toure. That is a great pack right there.
Oh, Aguero! We've got Aguero and a Pepe. I've never packed Aguero. Aguero's like...
Go. Boom! 9 golden in for.
Here we get something bigger. Oh, Dani Alves! Yes, it is Dani Alves! Oh, highest rated right back on the entire game.
There we go. Frank! For the first time!
Would be insane. It would make it my 4th legend. We get a Modric, that's not bad, at 87 overall with Alba. That is actually...
9 golden.
Okay, a little bit more back. Oh, Boateng. That's very good, actually. That is much more enjoyable.
Finally, we have Modric. And De Bruyne. What a pack.
Oh, what a pack! Vidal, Thiago Silva, and David Luiz.
Or be Hazard. No, can't be Hazard. Oh, De Bruyne. Oh, my days.
Let's go, come on. Second account pack, look. Second account. Oscar, that's the second time we got Oscar. I want something different. Ericsson. Oh, I see a purple down there.
Can we get another net? Yes! Yes! 90 rated in form. No.
Well, I ain't even gonna get to use all of my FIFA points. Let's be realistic. Yaya! Yes! Yaya Toure! Yaya!
Guessing. Oh, my God. Oh, my God, Marco Reus. Marco Reus in the pack.
Okay, no reaction pack. It's happening. In your time of need, it's what you need. Of course, the one time I actually get Thiago Silva, it would be a no reaction pack, wouldn't it? And Vincent Kompany. It's pretty average.
No. No! Lewandowski in the next pack.
Listen to me. All I need is the legend of Ronaldo. De Bruyne! Yes! And Pastore! The boy will do it.
Iniesta!
So, a bit of a joke now. Give me a good inform. Or one is a good inform, and then my life will pretty much be complete. Diego Costa, that's alright.
Thiago Silva!
Right, guys, you just can't. Oh. Oh, De Bruyne, 100k.
I beg. Oh, we got Modric. That's not too bad. 87 rate. Oh, Chiellini and Modric.
Oh, is that? Oh my God, Vidal. What a pack, Vidal.
We get a Tony Cruz and Verratti and Ericsson, but Cruz is the... I can't remember.
Yes! Yaya Toure. The pack weight today is on point. It is...
Sterling!
Oh my goodness me. Oh, it's Tony Cruz, highest rated player so far. 8.
Look up and we see Vidal. I knew that one instant. That's one that I haven't packed. And Venetia. Vidal, how much you?
We haven't actually packed an inform yet. That is crazy. Is that oh my God? We're packing the whole Real Madrid squad, and Ronaldo could be next.
Bang! We have got Rodriguez. I've packed him a couple of times. I know that for a fact. And Hulk.
Oh, inform, and it's 9 golden again. Oh my God!
They going? Is it like last year where they take ages or what? Benzema, that's a big one.
12.5. It's like every time we open a pack, 500 go missing. What's up with that, Robin? Robin! Oh my God, Robin! Oh goodness! Lego. Oh, Vidal. Yeah, buddy. 86 rated in the pack.
Give us something good. Oh, that Iguodala bang, and an inform is that same inform again.
Oh my God, Lord. Oop, Diego. Oh, inform though. Inform. I was like,
Sterling!
we can get across to our other account as well as we get Courtois. What a pack! Get in. Players. Is there something at the end? Oh my God. Marcelo in like every single freaking pack. This is crazy.
In this final 100k pack. Wow, Vicky Cristina, and yet that is actually pretty good.
Oh my God, Boateng. Oh my God, Hummels. Hummels I will take. It's not Boateng, but it is still Hummels. Oh, Benzema. It's Benzema this time, baby. It ain't no Giroud. It ain't no Giroud. We've got ourselves an 86 rated Benzema. I'm going to be absolutely... That's left to open. Go. Come on, skip. Yaya Toure. Yes, that's what I'm talking... Oh, company again. Oh, yes, another company. Oh,
Oh, Royce! That's actually pretty sick. Ooh, and Di Maria in the same pack. Wow.
skip. Oh!
Crazy. Oh, Cruz! That is the first time I actually packed Cruz and Piano.
Today is these bad boys. We're gonna have to skip them. We are gonna have to skip. We can't even watch the freaking beauty. Thiago Silva!
Honey, I've spent so much. These are always. No!
So quick, come on. Let's see what we get. Goalkeeper, Manu De Gea. Yes, we got De Gea. It's the good one. Sterling. Still not under 10k. Oh, I'm just dreading. We open one pack, it shoots down to like 8,000 or something. Pogba, yes!
Baby, this your kingdom.
No! My life, brother!
Skip some of these. We really can't watch them. We got company again. He's
Lord, again.
1,000. That's what I like to see. Let's try a skip pack for once. David Silva. Yes.
Oh, not been done as well.
Slow the menus are this year on FUT. We got an inform. We got Peter Cech.
No!
To tight finish. I'm calling a legend. Company again.
What is there? Ozil. Hey, that's not too bad. And the same pack. The Gea company.
Big chunk there. Skip. Neuer. Yes. 90 rated Neuer. We'll take that.
Toby.
Sterling. Come on, final two. Bale! Oh yes! Go Bale, baby! Yes! Give us something good. Give us something good. Rodriguez. Yes, it is. Yeah, again. Cruz 100k packs, man. Yaya. Yes, it is. Yaya. Sterling.
Roger, yo, Toby, come here, join, look what I just got. It's a casualty. How are you getting this? Huh?
Robben's been our best player. Inform Lacazette again, yes, and another one. I've got players to build back up the coins. James, that's another James. Schweinsteiger as well. Sterling. 2,000 packs left to open. Let's skip it. Nolan, inform, yes. Sterling.